Hello everyone. So come back again. So for our next topic is talking about loop function we call while. The while loop executes the same code again and again until stop condition is met. Okay, so what is the difference between the while and repeat function? Later I will explain what is the difference between repeat and while loop. As the repeat function, we have a condition to check to terminate our loop function. Otherwise, the computer will do your job again and again and it will not come to the end. So basically, for the while loop, it will check your expression. So here is the syntax for while. So while you have a condition here to check its condition is true or not. If the condition met, so it will execute the body for the while function. Otherwise, it will terminate the while loop. Okay, so let me explain what is the difference between while loop and what is the difference between while and repeat loop. So for the while loop, so the loop function, so the loop body, so root comment may not ever run. If your text expression didn't meet, it will not execute your function anytime. It doesn't run. But if you use the repeat loop function, so your loop function will execute more than one. But with while loop, you may not execute your loop function. Okay, so let us to have some examples for while loop. Okay, so basically, let me use this example first. Okay, for the first, I assign a variable x as 0. Okay, so here is our while loop function. Here is a condition to make a decision, right? So if x is less than or equal, less or equal than 5, so it will run this part of while body. Is it clear? Okay, so since right now x is 0, so 0 is less than 5. So this condition is true. So it will run print this function. So it will print out x. So right now x is 0. And then to ax as 1, ax with 1. So x will be 1, right? Since x is 0, 0 plus 1 will be 1 and assigned to x. So you will see the result for the while loop. So for the first time x 0, so it print 0 here. So here 0 plus 1, so right now x is 1. and then go back to while. 1 less than 5. Okay, so print 1. For this function, so 1 plus 1, x become 2. And go back to while. 2 less than 5. So it print 2. 2 plus 1, x become 3. Go back to while. 3 less than 5. So print 3. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So right now x is 4. And go back to while condition. 4 less than 5 is okay. So it print out x as 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So x become 5. And go back to while condition. 5 less than 5 less and equals than 5. It's okay. So it print 5 again. So here with 5 plus 1 x become 6. And go back to while condition. Since 6 is not less or equal to 5, so this condition become false. Does not meet this condition. So the program will terminate, stop the while function. Okay, so it ends the root function. Is it clear? Okay, so let me have another examples for you guys. So just copy this source code here. Okay, so first I also assign 2 character to V. So right now V contain 2 elements. Count 2. So right now CNT start with 2 and end with 7. So you can see the result. So how many times this program to print out V? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Do you know why? Since first one CNT is 2. 2 less than 7, it print it. And it becomes 3. 3 less than 7. 4 less than 7. 5 less than 7. So you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all less than 7. So what about when CNT become 7? 7 is not less than 7. So it quit. So it terminates the while loop. So that's why it only print out only 5 times of the V. Okay, so let me to change the condition with equal. So you have to realize what is less than and less than equal. So you can see how many times we'll print out the V variables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So okay, so it print out 6 times. So here is 5 times. So you can see the difference, right? Okay, so let us go back to our slides. Okay, so the homework in class 2 is please calculate the value from 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 100. So what is the sum for to calculate the value 8 from 1 to all the way to 100? Okay, so since the first number is 1, so we assign I as 1. We also have to keep a result for the calculation. So we keep result as 0. So the I start with 1 and end by 100. So you can see I start with 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 100, right? So how about 101? 101, it will terminate the result. Okay, so please to exercise. Okay, so let me show the result for the homework in class 2. Okay, we assign I as 1, result as 0. So what is the difference here? Since we want to add 1 plus 1 plus 3, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So you can see it's result plus 1, result plus 2. So it will keep the first result as 1, the second result as 3, the third result as 6. Okay? Okay, so let us to execute while function and print it out, print the result out. So the answer is 5050. 5050 is the answers. Okay, so you may to print out. You may to print out what is the result for each step. So here you can print it out. Print our result, and you can see is the process is working perfectly. Okay, 1, 0. Okay, you can see how does the computer do this kind of job for you. Okay, you can see what's going on here. Right, for the first one is this one. Only 0 plus 1 is 1. What about the second one? 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. And 6 plus 4 is 10. So, okay, so you realize the function for loop. It can calculate to repeat the job 100 times. Okay, so this is our homework 2 in class. We also have homework 3 in class, which is also loop function, while loop function. So can you explain the different result, the difference between result and result 2? This result is 5050. Can you see the difference? So what is the result for result 2? So please do your homework in class. So let me give you some hint. There's a difference here. Bigger and equal, but less than and equal. Here is less than. So there's a difference between result and result 2. Okay, it's your turn to practice the while loop function for this section.